Nursing students on the coast doing their part in the fight to stop the spread of COVID-19.
And that's because they've actually been helping to vaccinate people in Lincoln County over the past couple weeks. Jennifer Dowling is digging deeper tonight into how they're also making a difference and how retired nurses can volunteer to lend a hand as well. Very interesting here, Jennifer.
It is. There will be lots of opportunities for student nurses and other volunteers alike to get into those vaccination clinics to help out when those vaccines start rolling in larger numbers. And we talked to one educator who's already started to mobilize her students.
And it's such an untapped resource. So I hope that bringing more awareness to it, we can get the students out there and helping.
Nursing students at Oregon Coast Community College in Newport have already been rolling up their sleeves, along with those of their patients, to get the community vaccinated for COVID-19.
The nursing students were able to administer first dose vaccines to first responders in Lincoln County.
Crystal Bowman says nearly 50 students have already partnered with Lincoln County Public Health to get shots in arms.
This Friday, they're helping with the mass vaccination effort in Lincoln County at the fairgrounds. So there'll be about 10 of them that day helping. And then next week, I have about 13 of them going back to the fire station and helping with second dose immunization.
Bowman says when vaccines become more widely available, there is going to be an even greater need for help at larger public clinics.
These are really unprecedented times.
Other folks who'd like to volunteer, such as retired nurses, might also be called on to help down the road as well. The Oregon Center for Nursing's Jana Bitten says those who are interested can sign up online at the State Emergency Registry of Volunteers website.
There's opportunities there. We've been working pretty closely with the Oregon Health Authority and the Serve Or volunteer system to try to figure out how can we involve more people in vaccination right now.
Bowman says her students are getting valuable clinical experience when they volunteer, and they've also found it rewarding to give back to their community.
They are excited to be part of something bigger than themselves.
And Jana Bitten went on to tell me that around 3,500 nursing students statewide could eventually become involved in some of these vaccination clinics, and some already are. Meantime, if you are a volunteer or a retired nurse that would like to help out in a future clinic, we'll put a link to that volunteer website where you can sign up in our story at coin.com. Back to you.
All right, and very helpful. A lot of people were wondering about that, Jennifer. Thank you.